So how about first impressions? Well, inside the box, you'll find the earbuds themselves, the charging case, 4 sets of silicone ear tips, a USB-C charging cable, and the usual quick start guide. Right away, the case feels lightweight but solid. 54 grams just there, with wireless charging support and a clamshell design that makes it easy to flip open one-handed. The earbuds themselves follow a similar stem format, which you've seen previously, with a clean matte finish, and this year they've been slightly reshaped to improve fit, comfort and driver placement. Each earbud weighs about 5 grams, and the slightly larger bulb compared to the Air Pro 4 is a result of packing both 10mm dynamic driver and an ultra light balanced armature for high frequency precision. Guys, more on that in a second.